Now an NDTV special. Over the years, we've reported on how anonymous Indians the world over have rallied around to find their own way to tackle growing corruption in every sphere of life. With growing reports of how RTI activists around the country have been killed or browbeaten by the corrupt, a small group of activists have found a new solution to protect the confidentiality of a petition made to any arm of the government under the Right to Information Act.
The right to information is an effective tool which has allowed citizens to try and get answers from their governments. However, according to estimates in the past 2 years alone, several dozen people have been attacked while several have been killed as well in trying to get some of those answers. Now finally, there is a way of hitting back. It's a first of its kind website in India. Those who want to file RTIs but don't want to be identified can log on to getupforchange.org and post their questions. At the other end, volunteers like Avinish will draft and file RTI applications and the responses will be put up on the website. The concept of anonymous RTIs was launched by Avinish, a Delhi-based software engineer, and one of his friends in the US, soon after Bhopal-based RTI activist Shaila Masood was killed last year.
We found that we have to do something about this whistleblower thing. Then we came up with this idea of RTI Anonymous, to take RTI application from people, those who are scared of filing RTI due to some issues, due to their own reasons or due to inability of our government.
So far, over 250 anonymous RTIs have been filed by the group. Every day they receive around 8 new requests, mostly about corruption in municipal bodies and delays that citizens face in getting their dues.
Old people like those who are above 60, they are not getting their pensions and PFs on time. Such people are coming to us. We are helping them out and they are getting their result.
Avinish says that the website has 30 volunteers based across the world, including the United States and the UK, who regularly help draft RTIs. The group even pays the fee, a small price they say, to keep the RTI alive. In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.